Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Sneha. So today video is about a tutorial that how to make a realistic eye in a very simple and easiest way. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First step is just make a rough hexagon shape. If you don't know what I'm talking about, then just follow me what I'm drawing. So over there and pull a small line and then make a circle inside of it. Draw it roughly, no need to measure and all. So now the second step is all about again make that shape that we had made in the first step. The line and the circle touching point inside the circle, make a curvy line like this and from the bottom also. So and for the eyebrow just draw an arc over there. Let's get into the third step. Follow the second step only. So and one more thing, no need to draw it in perfectionist way or something, just make it roughly. Now for the time of iris, so make a circle like I'm making over there. You can make it, you have to just, if you're using a reference, then you just have to see where is the iris is located. Now the step 4, just do it as you did in the step 3. Now again make a small circle inside of that circle and another small circle and darken the area that I am darkening it. Now time for the step 5. Just do it whatever you did in the fourth step, but try to do it very lightly. And now start darkening the area that I am darkening it. So just follow the steps I am doing and you will get it. Make an eyelid over there like this. Fifth step is completed. Now let's move on to the sixth step. Just do that again. Do it as lightly as possible so that you don't have to face any problem. Now start adding detailings on that like this and just follow my step, you will get it. If you are making a eye using any references, then first thing is you should observe the photo completely. Then take your time to sketch it. Don't rush into making it. So just take your time and just do it. And try to make it as lightly as you can possible. And then start detailings and shading on that. So now for the eyebrow, just look how I am making the small lines inside the eyebrow area. Just observe it very nicely and you will find it very easy. So here it is, eyebrow is done now. Now just shade the eyebrow, where is the darkened part and all. And to the eye also, just make some lines in the down area. Now for the eyelashes. So for the eyelashes, draw some lines like this and just pull out the lines like that, and you can just draw it like a double lines or a single line or a line above line, just like this I am making it, and your eyelashes will be done. Another thing about eyelashes is at the front area the eyelashes are small compared to the end part, so just keep that in the mind. So here eyelashes are done and now let's try in our eyes. So make it lines like that, curvy lines, and just pull that lines out from there just like this, and make sure the lines are small compared to end part. Now let's start shading. If you guys like this video, hit the like button, comment, share, subscribe and turn on the bell notification for more tutorials videos like this, and I will be posting more tutorial videos related to facial expressions and many more. And do follow my social, they will be down linked in the description box. And so that's how we can make our eye like that. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.